Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past. You ruined everything and nothing.
Alright, it's Monday, so Beauty Ninja Mask Monday. This is in collaboration with the Beauty Ninjas. There is a playlist in the description box. Please go down, check out all the other ladies, and see what they have going on for their Mask Mondays. Alright, today's mask is Honey Mask, Nourishing, Antibacterial, and Soothing Collagen Essence Mask Series. And that is what she be looking like. And I got these off of Amazon. So we are going to open this up, stick it on the face, put on our Edgar suit mask, and then we're gonna get into a couple of things. One, what I got from Debbie. She took her declutter and did a kind of members perks kind of thing for her Patreon. All the people that were on her Patreon, she let pick some of her declutter. So that was fun. It was, I mean, honestly, it was an awesome declutter. She decluttered a bunch of palettes, and she did it live. So watching her do that live was awesome. Alright, we are strapped in and ready to go. Now this is the box she sent me. This flap of the box doesn't have any personal information on it, but it has a little sticker that says, "I hope this makes you smile." Right there. And of course, I could get a card from Debbie. It would make me smile. It's always nice to have like little notes sent to you here and there. Just, I'm thinking of you, and you know, so like the whole box doesn't need to be sent. I would just love it if she would just send me a card. But this is amazing. I mean, like, now I have unwrapped everything. She did wrap this all nicely. So first we're gonna go through some of the extras that she sent my way. This is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Foundation Brush. And I do the, oh, this hasn't even been opened. Let me cut it open here. I do the Where's Wednesdays, so I figured this would be a good item to have. I don't think I have tried a paddle brush. That is big. Oh, this says body foundation. That's why it's so big. Because that's really big on my face. What if I, oh, that's so soft. I mean, I bet I could use it on my face. I wouldn't use this part, but this part would touch my face. I'm gonna try it. Yep. Definitely gonna try it. Alright, and then these makeup remover cloths. I love these. Got a purple and a blue one. I'll throw those in the washer so that I can wash them and start using them. So I have one that I use in the morning and one that I use in the evening to remove my makeup. Or when I remove my makeup. And then I have one that is set aside for Nova to use, my niece. We don't share washcloths or towels or soaps or like sponges or anything. Everybody's got their own stuff. I don't know if that's a germaphobe thing or if it's just it's supposed to, you know, you should do that kind of thing. But that's the way we do things. Alright, and then I got, now I don't remember which one of these I picked because because I think I only picked one. I think it was this one. I might be wrong. I picked one of these for her to send me. She let us pick out of her like giveaway bin. Up to like 4 or 5 things. I picked these things. The rest of the stuff she just kind of threw in there. So this is the Catrice Glowing Multicolor Blush Box, and the shade is It's 1 O'Clock. I don't drink, but saying something like it's wine o'clock, I can relate to. Alright, and then we have the Lund Beauty Redimension Hydra Powder Blush, and this is in Mai Tai. Oh. So that is the shade, and there's this little thing on the back where you can push it, and it pops the pan out so that you can reuse the plastic container. And this is where the information is, on the actual pan, so you're not putting a refill into something that doesn't match with what the shade is. That is smart. So that is the second thing. And then I got this KVD Everlasting Blush in Rosebud. And that is the shade. That is a nice shade. I like that shade. And then she sent me this Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter. It's got little bead thingies in there. And it's a primer. You can use it as a primer. That's good to know. And then I'm excited about this. Patrick Ta Double Take Cream and Powder Blush, and the shade is Do We Know Her? And that is orangey and definitely my style. Ooh, yeah, that is so pretty. All right, so I was Debbie wrapped this really good, and I pulled out she had made it into like a packet with 3 palettes in it. It's all wrapped up in bubble wrap, and of course I saw the 2 palettes in there, and the 3rd palette slipped out and hit the floor, and I was like, oh my gosh, because it's the Fantasy Cosmetica. It's the Warlock palette, and this was like one of the ones that I really wanted. And that is the cover, and these are the shades. So the only thing that happened was this black shade right here kind of cracked a little bit, but I just kind of pressed it and it kind of blended itself back together, kind of squished itself back together. But look at the shades. I love Fantasy Cosmetica. And then next up, I wanted this when it came out, but I just didn't have the money for it, and I wasn't going to buy it on its own, and there wasn't anything else on the site that I was like really into. But the Star Ranch palette, that's what she looked like there. And then it's got the mirror with the star and the pistils. And that is the color story. I'm sure everybody's seen it, but I'm excited to have it. I'm not really a collector of Jeffree Star stuff, but I do have a few of his palettes from like mystery boxes and stuff. And for the most part, his formula is good. I do believe that he should probably, I don't know, I have not used any of his like new stuff, but I feel like he should probably step up his game on some of those shimmers, because there's a lot of companies out there that do crazy color stories like he does, and so he's kind of fallen behind in that respect. All right, so the next thing I picked was the K-Lashes Inner Darkness palette, and that's in collaboration with the Indie Eye. And that is the color story, nice and dark and grungy. And then there was that one. And then I wanted this one when I saw it, but I didn't want to spend money on it. But it's another Jeffree Star. It's the Jawbreaker palette. And it did come in the box. Oh. And I do keep the boxes for my Jeffree Star palettes. Everyone except for the Pricked palette, because that box was so horrendously horrible. It was so hard to get into. So I chopped the box for that one. But this is the color story for this palette. I'm sure you've all seen it. It's not like it's a brand new palette or anything. I'm going to put all of these in a no pan left behind with the ones I got from when Janet decluttered and the ones I've gotten from friends over time. That way I can show them like all the love that they deserve. The last one that I got was the Be Perfect Carnival, the Antidote palette. And I don't know what anybody else thinks about the Be Perfect formula, but I do love them. This is a huge Mama Gemma. And look at all these greens that I can get into, and the mustardy yellows. I'm so excited. And the oranges. Oh yeah. I feel like this palette just, it shouldn't be named Carnival. It should just be named Trouble. This is like my color story. If I was going to come out with a color story for a huge palette like this, I mean, it's already there, so I don't need to make my own color story. It's like, yeah, that's all the stuff that I would have chosen. And like their shimmers aren't like, ooh, shifty or anything, but they're good. They're good shimmers. So I am very excited. I'm going to put these palettes in the no pan left behind cupboard with all the ones that I got from Renee and ones I got from Janet. All right. It's been 15 minutes-ish. This feels so nice. Real quick, before I forget, I'm going to pop in right now my palette picker picking the winner for the giveaway. So we got it? We got the name? Okay. Congratulations to whoever has won. I'm very excited for you. I hope you enjoy your products. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know that you have seen that you are the winner, and I will get a hold of you on Instagram. I just want to make sure that it's you and not somebody who's made a copy of your account or anything like that. I want to make sure that you're getting your products. And if you're somebody I already have the address for, I'm just going to send it. Like, so. I already know who's subscribed to me when it comes to, like, my regular peoples. So, anyways, I hope you enjoy your new goodies. And like I said, this is in collaboration with the Beauty Ninjas. Not the giveaway, but the Mask Monday. So please go check them out and send them some love. And if you are here from their channel, welcome. It's madness over here, but we kind of like it. So yeah, stick around and join the fun. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All that good stuff is below as well. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the